Right, the next question. What is meant by the centre of mass or centre of gravity of an object? So this is quite a common definition that you're asked to give. And I'm just going to write COG for short. The centre of gravity is a point about which the whole weight of the object appears to act. So it doesn't really act there. If the weight acts in every single molecule that's in that object, the weight acts everywhere. But the centre of gravity is where the place where the moment appears, the weight appears to act. If we're going to say centre of mass, you would say point about which the mass of the object appears to act. The diagram shows a car on a steep slope. The centre of mass of the car is marked. So you can see the centre of mass there in the middle. Will the car topple over? Explain your answer. Now, whenever you see something like this, the first thing that you should do is draw a line from the centre of mass to the bottom of the page. And that's a line, we call that a line of action. So it's a line of action of the centre of gravity, and it acts towards the bottom of the page. If that line falls within the outsides of the wheels or the outsides of the base, then that car is stable. So the answer to this question is that the car will not topple over. The answer is no. And explain your answer. So you have 2 more marks to get. And this is because, and I'm going to use the term line of action. So this is a line along which the centre of gravity appears to act, or the centre of mass. So, and the reason is because the line of action, now you can say of the weight or of the centre of gravity, I'm just going to say centre of gravity, still acts through its base. Okay, now an arrow would be in that diagram would show this as well, and maybe if your explanation wasn't that clear, you would get a mark for your arrow. Your arrow may also substitute some of these sentences. I'm not sure, the mark scheme isn't just that clear. I'll just show you that again in case you didn't see it. The answer is no, because the line of action, which is this line here that we draw down to the bottom of the page, of the centre of gravity, or of the weight, I'll write in weight here, or you could write a line from the weight, still acts through its base. Now these are the proper terms, line of action of the centre of gravity.